Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Harshavardhan Reddy P and I am going to give seminar on ad- active magnetic bearings. And the contents are introduction, basic operations, system components, advantages of AMB, disadvantages of AMB, applications, conclusions and references. Introduction. A magnetic bearing is a bearing which supports a load using magnetic levitation. Magnetic bearings support moving machinery without physical contact. For example, they can leviate a rotating shaft and permit relative motion without friction or wear. Basic operations. This is a diagram for basic operations, and the basic operations involve reference valve, controller, power amplifier, magnet sensor and position signals. System components: magnetic bearing, position sensor, controller, host computer. And the advantage of AMB: elimination of leaks, flash, contaminants, direct drive, direct coupled machines, accurate dynamic control of rotor position and stability, absence of mechanical contact between shaft and bearing, very low wear rate, low power dissipation in the bearing, options of lubricants, high speed of rotation, unbalanced compensation, low vibration, and the disadvantages are complexity and high initial cost. And here comes the applications. First application is Ecolo Polytechnic Federal de Lausanne, Switzerland. This eliminates complicated lubrication system and high temperature resistance, reduction of pollution, vibrations, noise and stresses avoided, improved monitoring. And this is a diagram for that. Next application, New Energy and Industrial Technology Development Organization, NEDO, Japan's Ministry of International Trade and Industry, MITI. This says that speed has large influence than mass, and fiber reinforced plastics are high strength, fracture into small pieces upon failure, that is above ground, combination of superconductor and permanent magnet bearings, and the efficiency of the system is 84%. And this is the diagram for that. And one more application involves current development goals, that is increase load force, reduce amount load force, decrease with time, reduce rotational loss, increase size of bearings for larger systems. And the main application involves maglev in Shanghai, that completed in 2004, airport to financial district, that is 30 kilometers, world's fastest maglev in commercial operation, that is 501 km per hour, service speed of that is 430 kilometers per hour. And maglev is that is magnetic leviation, that is 150 mm leviation over guideway track, that is undisturbed from small obstacles. Typical average speed of 350 km per hour, that is and involves maximum speed of 500 km per hour. That is stator is track and rotor is magnets on train. And these are the diagrams for applications, that is noise reduction by frequency and noise reduction by speed. And the conclusion, the AMB technology has briefly revived, including its advantages, components, working principles, cost and performance. Some design and implementation issues have been also discussed. The author believes that AMB systems are still relatively more expensive than conventional mechanical bearings. Some studies are needed to tackle the cost and complexity issues. Therefore, the massive use of AMB in industries is still prohibitive despite of the many benefits offered. And the AMB will still not completely replace conventional bearings in rotating machineries in the near future. However, AMB can find its place well in a limited volumes of high performance rotating machines. And these are the references involved. Thank you.